Hello, everyone. Thank you very much for giving me a moment of your time today. I have been working on something that is really cool and I think will bring a lot of value to so many of you out there. A lot of you remember back in March, I was talking about a vision that I had that I was going to turn into a deck of cards. So then in April, I put that on hold because I started channeling the field. And now I have introduced that vision to channeling the field. And what we have born from that is what I have called the Akashic Field Deck. The Akashic Field Deck is something that I co-created with the Akash and the field itself to serve as an interface for access to the Akash in the field. And I have been personally giving this system a test run and refining it for months and months and months. And we have finally come to the point where we are comfortable with the setup, the intention for the product, what it is meant to accomplish for those who are in possession of it. And I believe that once you hear the details and the specifics, you'll be even more excited. So I will get right into those. Yes, this deck is in the image of tarot and oracle, but it is not really those things at all. It is inspired by them, but it is its own category. It is very non-traditional, and I'll let you know why. So this deck will be on the larger side. It will be a 3x5 deck. It's going to have over 100 cards. There are 115 right now officially completed. And I'm looking to add to that, and adding to it, can't do too many more, but adding to it is going to help it be less redundant, and is going to help us have as little ambiguity as possible in the readings as they pull. So how it works is you will sit down, you will go through the pre-pull instructions, you will pull one time, no repetition, 1 to 4 cards once per day. And what this does is it allows us to align with what the field and what the Akash need us to know in that now moment directly and how we apply it. And each card will have its own very long, very thorough source transmission that's going to make it feel like it is a personal message directed right at you, because it is. So right now, I am going to go through 3 cards that I've pulled for this release and announcement specifically. You should be able to see the cards on the screen if you're on YouTube. If not, go ahead and click on one of the links and they will all be on the website, readable, ready for you to see. So what I will do is I will sit down, I will go through a process of opening the Akashic Records, which is really easy, and I will pull card number 1. And you might get something like this. This is called the Starborn Self. You'll want to look at the image. You'll want to study the details, look at the colors. What does the symbolism mean to you outside of what you're about to observe when you turn the card over? And after it's gotten the wheels turning, you will flip the card around. And what you will get on the back is a direct field transmission such as this. This vision appears to confirm memory. I do not need to become anything. I am remembering origin from now. I was not born from the world. I arrived through it. The star matrix encoded in my cells reactivates now. All identities projected over that fact fall. I walk as origin. I no longer reach for validation in outer forms. I no longer wait to be seen. I know where I come from. I know why I'm here. I remember myself as presence before birth and command structure within form. No force in the world authorized me. I walk not to find proof, but to restore it. I walk as origin. So after you read, I will provide you with a seal phrase, and then you'll pull the next card if you want to. You can pull 1 through 4 a day. So for the sake of the example, I pulled what is called the patient stream, which I do see in readings once in a while. So you observe the patient stream, you turn it over. This vision confirms divine pacing. I do not rush. I do not force. I am not behind. My presence is the sculptor. The stream does not decide where it flows. It carves its shape by simply existing. I remain. The wave forms around me. I am not moved by timelines projected from illusion. I do not compare my current with imagined futures or external rhythms. I am not late. I am right on signal. I do not speed up to match the world. The world slows to match my frequency. I hold the pulse that forms the way. I am the current. I am the pace. I am the law of unfolding. Then you will give the seal command and you'll move on to the next card. For this example, I pulled what is called the morning choir. And the interesting thing is, and the reason this gap in when I was able to release and when I didn't release was so significant, and why the field involved is so different, the morning choir is something that I see in the Akashic records in my readings, and it has a different message when translated by the records than it does when it's translated by the field. So these messages on the back of the cards are field transmissions. The images on the front are symbols from the Akash. This vision confirms natural broadcast. I do not rehearse truth, I sing it. The tone of source rises in me like light, uncoached and unforced, carrying its own undeniable authority. I am not alone in this frequency. Others join me effortlessly, without planning or invitation. As if we have always known this song. The world does not have to be ready. I am. My voice is not mine alone. It belongs to the field, and the field carries it beyond all resistance. I do not fear being heard or misunderstood. In the chorus of emergence, I am both individual and part of the whole, broadcasting the signal that aligns with all. All right, guys, that is it. I will put another bonus preview card on the website. But if you are interested in pre-ordering the Akashic Field Deck, let me know. You can find information in the description below. You can contact me through email if you have any questions. Anyway, I think that will do it. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope to ship one of the Akashic Field Decks to you.